to my channel, and today I'm going to film how I do my makeup. So let's go! Go! So I have done my skincare, I'm ready with it, and I have also applied my sunscreen. And it's the daytime, so obviously you want to have a layer of sunscreen on your face, because if not, it's gonna really affect your skin as you grow old and you'll have wrinkles and everything. You know what's the deal. So the first thing you want to do is apply a primer. I'm going to use this pore minimizer insight primer, and it really helps me, like it really blurs all of my pores. What I do is that I take out a little bit of my primer on my hand like this, and then I just apply directly on my face. And it really helps because as you can see, I am breaking out a lot, and obviously I don't have a glass skin, and you can see I have some pimples here and there, so it really helps to blur all my pores, especially on my nose. I have a lot of pores on my nose and my under eye area. So after the layer of primer, I am going to use my CC cream. It's the Lakme 925 CC complexion care cream in the shade beige, and like the same like the primer, I'm also going to take it out on my hands like this, and then I usually tend to do it with a makeup sponge. You can even use brush as you like, because it really depends on who is comfortable with which medium. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have a lot of dark spots like here and here, and I'm going to just apply a little bit. Remember to apply like a really light layer and really tap it up. This is what the rule says, because if you're gonna really rub it, it's gonna look a lot cakey, and you don't want that kind of a layer. Yeah, do use a wet makeup sponge. It is already wet, I've done it beforehand, because it really gives a nice finish. If you're going to use a really dry makeup sponge, it does not help at all, trust me. I apply my CC cream like as a foundation, because I don't really use foundations that much, and since it's like my day-to-day makeup, I don't really like putting something really heavy on my face. I tend to keep it really light and simple, because obviously at the end of the day my makeup sometimes really fades away and it looks really bad. So having a light makeup is enough for the day. I think it's enough. Yeah. And remember guys, to also even it out with applying it a little bit on your neck area, because you will sometimes see that your face is much more lighter than your neck and it looks really odd. So it's really better if you just apply it on your neck a little bit. It really helps to even out everything. Now I am going to use this Insight concealer. It is the Insight Makeup Essential 2X Cover Master Concealer in the shade Golden Sand. But there's a problem. This thing is not my shade. Like, this is not my shade. It is too warm for me, and it gives off a little bit more yellow, and I do have a pale skin, so I really use it to like conceal my blue spots. Like, I have my blue veins here. I don't think it's visible on the camera, but yeah, it's there. Really light ones like these, and I do tend to have somewhere here a little bit of this. Really helps even everything out. And remember guys, your makeup is not going to look really great and as if it's a filter. No, it's not true. You have a skin and of course it's going to show some textures, so it's really common for that. And here you can see that it's almost gone. So my base is almost done, and I'm going to just lightly apply a little layer of my CC cream again to all the cracks and other areas where it wasn't able to reach nicely. For this I am using this round shaped brush. I don't know what's its name, so yeah. And now I am going to set my makeup using this Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte Compact Non-Sticky Sun Protection. It has SPF, but I do recommend you using SPF again, because this SPF is not enough for your skin. I'm just going to take a little bit of this, and because it's usually a lot, so you kind of want to do that so it does not pick up much of its powder, and if it does, it's gonna look really bad. So my base is done, and now I'm going to move on my brows and stuff. So for my brows, as you can see, I really don't have any much of brows. I just usually do like this and go in a simple direction. And yeah, I haven't shaved my brows in a long time. And to cover up for my sparse areas, I usually use a kajal like this. You can get it from any local shop. It's really not that expensive. Yeah, I just tend to do something like this. And a little bit of swipe. And the same on the other side. And you're done. Next, I am going to do my eyeliner. And I use a really cheap eyeliner. You don't even need that much of a big great one. And just look at this. I usually tend to do like a really light eyeliner. I also tend to do it like this on my lashes. And now I am going to apply my blush. And I'm going to use a really light shade. It's the metallic liquid lipstick. I usually use a liquid lipstick for blushes because I don't have a blush. Then using the same sponge, ever so slightly, I'm going to tap, and guys, it makes all the difference. It's not picking up in the camera, but yeah. And now for lip, I have LA18 Colourpop Matte Lipstick in the shade Choco Crisp. It looks like this. It's really brown in shade and it smells amazing. And now I am going to take my Glam Lit lipstick, this one. It's really old, so I don't even know the shade. I guess it's in mauve. And with this brush, just mix it a little bit, and then with a round shaped brush, it has, you can see, a really round shape. This brush, I'm just going to make it a little bit bloody. It just gives off a really soft look going like this. And you're done. Thank you for watching this video. If you really liked my content, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and do comment down what you like the most in this video. Bye bye.